Hi guys, you might remember that Bouncy Castle that I picked up on Tuesday morning that we covered up. Hopefully it would be nice and dry. It looked dry, but when I was packing it away it was quite a lot of water inside. So middle of the week I'm going to open it up over the door and pump it up, see how wet it is and see what we can do with it. As suspected, it's a little bit wet. It's not as bad as I thought it would be, but if I mean, this isn't going out for a week or two, so you know the mold can start. So it's so important to get it as dry as possible. Here's the bubbles. Not ideal out here, I have to say. 15 width by about 17-18 depth. It's quite a big castle. It's 12 foot high, this one, and I've got it outside on a windy day on concrete. Sandbags I don't think would do much at all really, but just quickly get it out there, dry it out a bit, hope for the best. Nice castle. I've got 4 different velcros on this. The emoji, as you can see. I've got a wedding party, I have a party time castle, and the other one is a unicorn. So it's really diverse. I hire this out for £125 per day. It used to be 150. I didn't get so many hits on it at that price. 125 seems to go out quite a lot. So yeah, dry it out, see how we go. Just give it a bit of a helping hand. I might just have to let it dry out on its own. I don't want to take off anyway. Oh, I can't stand on these things. There we go. Ooh. There we go. Again, sorry about that, this has happened really regularly. I think I need a GoPro. My Samsung just ended up with the job. Acts as a sail, it's a bit bloody windy. tip. Put your straps under the end. That's a rolling too. And that way they're easy accessible once it's rolled up. So you can hand to lift the castle up, try and get them under afterwards. Something like that. Here they are. Nice and easy. Okay, that's it. Another weekday job done. Another one tomorrow to dry out. A bit windy really today, but thanks for watching. Please subscribe and we'll do lots more. See you again. Bye.